Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Windows Server with PowerShell remoting from VPS, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to Windows Server with PowerShell remoting from a VPS, begin by ensuring PowerShell is installed on both the local machine and the Windows Server. Open PowerShell on your workstation with administrator privileges. Check if PowerShell remoting is enabled on the Windows Server using the command enable PS remoting force. This command configures the server to accept remote connections. Verify the firewall settings on the Windows Server to ensure that the Windows Remote Management Service is allowed. You can do this by checking the firewall rules with the command getNet firewall rule where object $_.displayname like *winrm*. Next, on the VPS, open PowerShell as an administrator. Use the enter PS session or invoke command complete to initiate the connection to the Windows Server. Ensure you include the credential parameter in your command for authentication. To create a credential object, type $credential = getCredential. This command will prompt you to enter the username and password for the Windows Server. After entering the credentials, you can now proceed with your remote connection. If using enter PS session, your command should look like this: enter PS session computer name, your server name, credential $credential. Alternatively, for executing commands remotely, use invoke command like this: invoke command computer name, your server name, credential $credential script block, your command here. Ensure to replace your server name with the actual host name or IP address of your Windows Server. If you encounter any issues, check the authentication settings in WinRM on the server. You may need to adjust settings with set item wsman /localhost /service /auth /basic if you confirm that the correct ports, typically TCP 5985 for HTTP and TCP 5986 for HTTPS, are open on both the server and once connected, you can execute your desired PowerShell commands on the remote Windows Server. Always remember to exit your session by using exit PS session once you've completed your tasks. This ensures that your remote sessions are securely closed. You have now successfully authenticated and executed PowerShell remoting from your VPS to a Windows Server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.